Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a first look on Naillisimo's N110 stamping plate. And Naillisimo also sent their ice cube stamper set. And by the way, I recently bought 19 stamping polishes from them too. Swatches for these will be posted soon. Okay, so let's take a look at their ice cube stamper set. This is Naillisimo's scraper. And their ice cube stamper has a cover. It also has an open back for a much better stamping experience. And here we have their stamping plate. It's super cute with bubble tea and coffee related designs. And it's attached to a pink hard plastic. We usually see stamping plates with white plastics, but this one is pink. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. And let's take a closer look at the stamping plate. And because I'm super excited to try this, let's start doing the nail art. I'm using Naillisimo stamping polishes that I've bought from them. Then let's paint it with purple for a taro bubble tea flavor. Next, let's use this design. Now let's make it a matcha bubble tea. Still using a Naillisimo stamping polish for this full French Bulldog bubble tea design. And guess what? This orange is from Naillisimo too. As well as this pink shade. And as I let them to all dry, I stamp them onto my nails. Now I'm applying a non-smudge top coat. And we're done! Loving the designs on this stamping plate, and their stamper works well too. You can check out their products at Shopee. Link is on the description box below together with their Facebook and Instagram. Special thanks to Naillisimo for sending their N110 stamping plate and their ice cube stamper and scraper. Watch out as I post nail art designs using this stamping plate. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!